Dang phone.
You got us a puppy?
Surprise! That's our surprise!
Oh, it's Peter.
No! Uh-oh.
It's okay. It'll dry. And it'll smell like pee.
Love it! Aren't you gonna let it kiss you, dude? Don't push it away.
That's our new puppy, guys. It's ours.
I was wanting a baby puppy so bad. Come here. I want that dog. It's my stick. No, that banana, hold it.
Be soft. It's just a puppy.
It's a baby.
She's eating your shoes.
Yeah, baby dog is too on everything. So that's what the spelling was.
Yeah, it wasn't my phone. I was hiding her in my jacket. I had her in a box in the trunk and she was just crying back
Hey.
there. Remember how I opened the trunk at school while you guys were getting in buckles? I opened the trunk.
Good girl. What do you think, guys?
That's so cute. You guys called me.
What do you think, Jared?
It's cute.
What are we gonna name her?
How about Rosie?
Rosie?
It's
That's a
Rosie,
cute
Mom.
name.
I think it's supposed to go. Wow, where'd you get it? Pet shop? Ah, Smith? Ah, where?
Down by Aunt Marlene's house, somebody had puppies.
Oh.
She's like, hold me. She likes to be snuggled. That's how I was trying to keep her quiet because she wants snuggles.
What do you think, Connie? Oh, careful.
Here, Jack. Come here. Just slide on her. Oh, that is hers. You gonna lick the milk off your face.
Mommy, I just have an idea.
What?
You gave me an idea. How about we get a bowl of milk?
That's why I put the milk in the cup so it could not be cold.
Oh.
It's for her.
Mom.
We might need